Yes, let's go. What's up, guys? It's our big day.
What's up?
You see this guy right here? You better get used to his face. Remember his face. Okay? You remember that face? Remember this name. Shaka Fishing. He's going places, boy. And so, of course, today we got Solomon Da Hammah coming in clutch. You see this guy? He's so much on one hammer. He can eat food with just one chopstick. You see this? You see, he's so much of a hammer. He can slam on revolving door. That's how much of a hammer he is. It is my big day today because we met up with Kapono from Shaka Fishing. If you guys don't know who he is, what the hell are you doing? Get to his page. I'm gonna put his name in my description. You go over there, you check out his content because he's slaying it. But you gotta watch this video first, okay? And then go check out his page. Then go check out his page. Blah, blah.
Both perspectives.
There we go. Big fishing day today. And it's a beautiful day here in Hawaii. The water is flat, the sky is blue with no clouds. Sick.
I'm watching you.
He's watching me?
Yeah.
You watching me, bro? You better like and subscribe to Dremix. Yes. Beautiful day. Beautiful, beautiful. Bruh.
Like almost all the way in too.
Kapono bringing us to the zones.
And then all in the middle right there is pretty deep. Goes to like 12 or so maybe, and then.
Oh no, I'll do that deep out there.
Right there?
Roger.
Oh, it's like 30 where those two buoys are. Yeah, it's super deep. You can go on the cliff and nail that buoy if you try.
A tournament or like a little friendly competition.
Little mini tournament.
So let's see whoever got the most, the biggest, and the smallest.
Okay.
You down for that? Roger. Okay, solid. Biggest?
Biggest, the smallest, and the number of.
Or the most.
Just quantity.
Yeah, quantity, not quality, I guess. Roger that, Thundercat. We're gonna do another float action. There's some shrimp. Something must be hungry out there. Man, no, didn't send it out as far as I wanted it to go. Oh, there goes my bait. Right there, all the way out there, way further there, my floater. I'm good at that. I got a bite, but it came off. Yeah, the bait came off. Let's go. Right there. Ah! Hey, man. You seen that, huh? You guys seen him? Oh my gosh. Are you serious? There we go. Put small bait, maybe? Right there. Yes, sir. Yeah, a little guy, a little papillo. First fish of the day, my ninjas. A little papillo. Yes. Yeah, 1 point.
Yeah, nice little guy right there. Ooh.
Right on the hook. So.
Hook.
There we go. Chee. Oh, oh, my bad. My bad, my bad. All right, send it out. There we go. Be free. So for those of you who don't know, Kapono, he likes to promote the barbless hook. So he went ahead and smashed it with the pliers, make that buck a barbless. No worries, we'll still hook it up. If you see a bunch of bugs flying around the lenses, my bad. There's a bunch of these little gnats that is pissing me off. It's better than getting pissed on, so you know. There we go.
Oh, you got?
Another one. You know that?
Two over here. Oh, what is that? Himalaya?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Dude, come on, little Himalaya. What is the name? A wrasse?
Yeah. Saddle wrasse. A nice little Himalaya.
Saddle wrasse. Sick. There's something hit it.
Oh yeah, he's missing half his tail. He's seen battles already.
Yeah, battle scars. Oh, shit. Oh, one more time with the shrimp. Give one, big boy. What? First one of the day. Stuck. Oh, the hook is bent. I think I'm gonna risk it for the biscuit and put the camera in the water. Just a tripod. What do you think? Should work. Should work. Yes, sir. Tripod is in the water. Gotta get that camera view. That angles. Still can't really see it. All good. As long as you see my pole bending, roger that. Oh, almost. I kinda catch yellow tang. Not yet. Sorry for the lighting, guys, but you gotta make it what you get. Fudge. Let's go. There we go. I know. Manini. Hey, hey. What is Manini, right?
Mamo.
Mamo.
Oh.
Oh shit.
Bait too.
I think I might float him.
Yeah, floating would be good.
What'd you say what the name of this was?
Mamo.
Mamo.
That's a nice one too. The perfect size for a little daytime one. Normally they get like yellow tinges in there, but this one's just like straight freaking silver and black. That's cool.
Sick, dude. Yeah, maybe float them, throw a bigger hook. Yeah, so we caught a good sized mamo. And I'm gonna hook it up, change the rigging around, and maybe throw that fish on a floater and let it float. Hopefully a big boy bite him. Yes. Hook them up, live bait with the floater. Let's go. Use the tree as a pole holder. You know guys, I don't mess around over here. Ching. All right, let's go. You got something up? Yeah.
Oh no.
I seen that pole bend.
There we go.
That's all, boy.
Oh, again.
Stuck again, dude. Is that? Something's in there.
What is going on?
Shoot. Nah, I seen your pole bend. That was action.
There you go.
There we go.
Oh, again. There you go again, dude.
Let's go.
Stay up. I don't know if anything's on there anymore.
Something got probably stuck in that rock.
Oh, there's something.
What's that?
There's a little goat.
Oh, little goat. Oh,
Yes,
dude.
sir. Action.
That's a pretty amazing bait goat right there.
Beautiful little goat fish.
Sick. Yeah. Beautiful color.
Nice little small guy right there. Should I send this? Send
Bro.
or not to send?
I think I'll let this guy cruise.
We're not one for Kapono or Solomon.
Let's fish.
Hey, yeah, so far you got the smallest fish, that's for sure. Camera battery died. And of course, it dies as soon as Kapono catches something. And it also dies when I got stuck. So that's kind of a good thing, but the bad thing is we missed Kapono's fish.
Wow, check out all the sea life that's right here in this little pond area. Sea cucumber. His little mouth right there. See his little teeth? Sick. Dude. And then right next to him is this little tiny baby Vana. How's that? This is a sea urchin, Vana. We have a bunch of different types here. This one is the non-poisonous one. They have the black ones too. The black ones get huge, and those ones have poisonous needles that are much more sharp than these little guys that you'll find in the tide pools typically. See him moving? Pretty sick. I'll put this guy back too.
Bring it in. There we go. Yeah, everything's still there. It's just the fish is still alive. We're leaving them. Let's go, different spot. Hey dude, if you don't mind, if you hear my reel start screaming bloody murder, you can scrap them if you like. You did one speed. Roger. Alright, if you hear me losing my shit, blowing my mind over there, that's because I probably caught something. Stuck the boy. Alright, gonna switch the spots. My man, how you did over here?
A couple of whacks.
For no biters, And for real guys, if you're gonna come out here, fish or do whatever you guys are gonna do, pick up your rubbish. It's not hard. Easy. Just pick it up, throw it in your bag, and throw it away when you get home.
Speaking of which, a nice little weird mystery dangler. Somebody like prepared that too and just left it.
I'm gonna neatly organize my line and just leave it.
Leave it on the ground.
Something's on there.
Oh, something hit that mono.
Eel.
Guaranteed it's an eel, dude.
Yeah.
Oh, big boy Puhi. Oh,
What's that one? What's that one? Tohe?
is that a tohe? No. Is it? No, it's just a normal one.
Oh,
Yeah,
Maury.
he's not tangled up, so.
Shake them.
Some
Or leave them in the water a little bit.
Hey, go for bait.
Yeah, like that. I'll go get the pliers. Oh wait, I got them right here.
Dude, I'm gonna eat the whole fish.
Hell, he's greeter, dude. He pounded that mom.
In his mouth.
It is? Oh yeah, it's like halfway down his throat. Crazy. All right, you brought him at.
Miles. Bro, that thing ate the whole fish.
I'm just gonna have to cut it. We're not getting that back.
Yeah.
There you go.
Get the hell out of here.
Shoots, Mr. Eel Booze. Oh yeah, he pounded that whole thing.
Wow.
What is he doing? He's just like knotting himself up. You're not tangled anymore, bro. Get out of here.
Is he choking?
I think he's trying to spit it up. I don't know. He's like, oh wait, I'm not hooked anymore.
That's crazy.
That's a nice eel. Okay. You got a free meal. See ya. Right on. Oh, he pounded that whole guy.
One time. You got room on that thing for us? Yes, so here we are at Pulko Harbor. Looking good as bro, we ain't catching shit. I'm ripping that Rapala lure for a little bit. Switch it up to big island baits. Got that firecracker. Roger that, something to get. It's about that time to catch something. Oh, action! Action!
Oh! Oh, 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 oh! Oh, snake around.
Not bad.
Snake around. Oh! Action, action. Small little papillo, guaranteed.
Want to get some action.
Get this guy off of there. Keep pinching, keep pinching. What we got? Little scrapper.
Let's go.
Little guy. How's it? So greedy.
For a big bait, huh? That's a greedy little papillo right there.
Yee. Sick one, bro. All right, been here for a while, but it's all good. Still gonna send it. Been here for a hot minute. Fucking 0 for 3. Oh, we didn't catch shit in the afternoon, but it's all good because we caught a good time. All right, guys, that is the vlog. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe. Comment anything. If you think I should do something different or we should do something different, give us some tips, some fishing advice. Dude, suck it talking to the camera.
It's easier when he's talking back to you. That's
yeah. All right, Andre, what did you do today? We were fishing. It was awesome. It's 1:30 and it's pretty hot. Yeah, it's pretty hot. It's not 420, but it's smoking. But yeah, I had a good time collabing with this guy. So remember his face, guys. You see this handsome face right here? Don't forget about it, okay? You see that guy? You go up there and tell him, bro, your YouTube channel is lit. Right on, guys. Until next time, mahalos and shoot. Yeah, that's all. That's all. Run them hard. We'll go soft at the same time.
Dish.
Choo.